Today, we're tackling a common and frustrating issue when your Wi-Fi mysteriously goes missing from the settings on Windows 10. Don't worry, I've got a few tricks. Number 1. Restart your computer. Let's kick things off with the classic move. Restart the PC. It might sound simple, but trust me, sometimes all it takes is a fresh start to get that Wi-Fi back in action. Give it a shot. Number 2. Check airplane mode. If a restart doesn't do the trick, let's make sure airplane mode isn't playing tricks on us. Open Settings. Click on Network and Internet and check the airplane mode setting. If it's on, turn it off and see if your Wi-Fi makes a grand return. Number 3. Update network drivers. Outdated or corrupted network drivers can be the culprit. Head to Device Manager, expand Network Adapters, right-click on your Wi-Fi adapter, and select Update Driver. Let Windows search for the latest drivers, and if found, let it install. Number 4. Disable and re-enable Wi-Fi adapter. Let's give the Wi-Fi adapter a little nudge. Back in Device Manager, right-click on your Wi-Fi adapter, choose Disable, wait a few seconds, and then enable it. This can sometimes refresh the connection. Number 5. Run the Network Troubleshooter. Windows 10 comes with a handy troubleshooter. Go to Settings, Update, AMP Security, and click on Troubleshoot. Run the Internet Connections Troubleshooter and let it do its magic. It might pinpoint and fix the issue for you. And there you have it, Windows Troubleshooters. These tips should help you bring back that missing Wi-Fi in your settings on Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech troubleshooting. Until next time, may your Wi-Fi signals be strong and your connection seamless.